Hello and welcome to the fourth video in the ECO SharePoint training series. In this video, we will review how to create a custom view. A custom view allows users to view information in a way that is most helpful to the user. Users will first select which section to create a custom view on the Quick Launch menu. Either participants, classes, instructors, or sessions. In this example, we're going to select sessions. You'll notice a view area to the right-hand side. When you click on the drop-down menu, you'll see all of the views that are available to you. Currently, there is the default, which is all items, and then total hours by class. This is a view that was created prior to us logging in. To create a new view, we're going to select Create View. And here you'll notice there are many options for creating a view. The different formats available are Standard View, Calendar View, Access View, Dataset View, and Gantt View. You'll notice also that you can start from an existing view, and then it lists all the views that are currently available to you. In this example, we're going to select Standard View. And the first step is going to be naming that view so that any user logging in will be able to know what exactly the view will show. In this example, we're going to use it for invoicing purposes, so we're going to call it Billable Month. And then we're going to make sure that the default remains on Create a Public View. Below in the Columns area, we'll be able to select and unselect any fields that we don't require for a view. So here, I'm just going to unselect attachments, any attachments for this section, and I'm going to also unselect Instructor. Here you'll also notice that you can see positions from left. This actually will show where each field is going to show on that view. So for instance, the first field that we will see is going to be the title of the session. And then next we'll see the session date and time. If we wanted to change that, we could easily do that. And I'm going to change the hours complete to be in the first position. And you'll notice that you can see how the positions have adjusted because of that change. Next, I'm going to scroll down. You'll have the option in creating a view to select which way you'll want to sort your information. For now, we're just going to skip down to the filter section, and we're going to show items only when the following is true. And because we're creating a view for a billable month, we're going to want to select the month that we're going to bill for. So in order to do that, we're going to select session date time, and then is greater than or equal to and then we're going to start with January 1st, 2012. And in the next area here, I'm going to select and session date and time, and then is less than or equal to. and I'm going to select the last day of January. And this way, this view will only show us the sessions that took place in January of 2012. You'll notice that you can group by information, you can total, you can add a style, folders, item limit, and mobile. These are all other options that you can utilize during the Create a View. Right now, I'm only going to expand the total section because here for the billable month, totaling the hours complete is going to be helpful. So I'm going to select in the drop-down Sum, and that's going to complete this customized view. So I'm going to select OK, and then we'll see what this view looks like. And here, the first column that we see is the hours complete because we changed that column to be the first. Next, we'll see the title of the session date, time, and then the class group. And at the very top of the hours complete, you'll see the sum, which is 8 hours. And you may be wondering why we're not seeing any hours complete for these sessions. And this is simply because when in the earlier training, you'll remember each session you have to put the hours complete after that session has been completed in order to total in this section. So for instance, the main branch computer session, the internet session, the use session, and then this additional computer session, these were all completed successfully and can be used for the billable month. The other sessions below either did not take place or they didn't have a high enough participation rate, and therefore the hours complete are not listed. I'm just going to point out one last thing, and that again is going to be this view. And now in the drop-down menu, you'll see the items, the all items, which is going to be the default view for all of the sections. You're going to now see that billable month that we just created. And that way you can go every time you want to go to the sessions section, you can use that billable month view that we just created. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you enjoyed it.